Cupping Warehouse would like to welcome you to our video summary of the published study, Acute Outcomes of Myofascial Decompression, Cupping Therapy, compared to self-myofascial release on hamstring pathology after a single treatment. A study published in 2020 in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy by Warren, Lacris, Volberding, and O'Brien. Cupping therapy is an ancient form of alternative medicine that has been used for centuries to relieve pain and improve range of motion. The practice involves using cups to create suction on the skin, which is believed to help increase blood flow, separate layers of tissue, and improve the function of the fascia. In recent years, cupping therapy has been studied in the scientific community to better understand its mechanisms and effects on the body. One such study is Acute Outcomes of Myofascial Decompression, Cupping Therapy, compared to self-myofascial release on hamstring pathology after a single treatment. This study aimed to investigate the acute effects of myofascial decompression, cupping therapy, compared to self-myofascial release on hamstring pathology after a single treatment. The study's participants were randomly assigned to either the cupping therapy group or the self-myofascial release group. The cupping therapy group received treatment using plastic cups and a pump to create a vacuum on the skin. The cups were placed on the hamstring muscle and left in place for 5 minutes. Active mobilization was performed during the cupping therapy by having the participant perform knee flexion and extension movements while the cups were in place. The self-myofascial release group performed self-massage on the hamstring muscle using a foam roller for 5 minutes. The results of the study showed that the cupping therapy group had a significant improvement in range of motion, ROM, compared to the self-myofascial release group. The cupping therapy group showed an average increase of 10 degrees in knee flexion and 8 degrees in knee extension. The cupping therapy group also showed a significant decrease in pain compared to the self-myofascial release group, as measured by a visual analog scale, VAS. It is believed that the vacuum created by the cups during cupping therapy helps to separate the layers of fascia, allowing for better movement and function. The increased blood flow and separation of tissue can also help to reduce pain and inflammation in the area being treated. The study also suggests that cupping therapy may have a positive effect on muscle activation and endurance. The cupping therapy group also showed a significant increase in strength compared to the self-myofascial release group, as measured by the isokinetic dynamometer. The results of this study provide valuable information for massage therapists, physical therapists, athletic trainers, and complementary bodyworkers by showing the potential benefits of cupping therapy for hamstring pathology. Cupping therapy can be an effective treatment for improving range of motion, decreasing pain, and increasing strength in the hamstring muscle after a single treatment. It's important to note that this study has some limitations. The sample size was relatively small, and only one session of treatment was used. So further research is needed to confirm these findings. The study also did not include a control group, which could have provided a better comparison. Despite these limitations, the study gives a clear idea of the benefits of cupping therapy for treating hamstring issues, especially when combined with active mobilization. The study highlights the importance of continuing to explore and understand the benefits of cupping therapy. We thank you for tuning in for our summary. We hope you found it helpful and beneficial and hope to see you again soon. Please take a moment to hit the like button, as it tells the algorithms this video should be seen by more people. Hit the subscribe and notification bell to get notice when we release our next video. In the description below, we have included a link to Cupping Warehouse, where you will find a vast array of cupping products designed with durability in mind for high clinic use.